Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Ahmedabad Sabarmati Riverfront Flower Exhibition 2026 set against the beautiful Riverfront Flower Park. This grand floral celebration started on 1st January and will be open till 22nd January, making it one of the most awaited events of the season. As we step inside, the refreshing fragrance of flowers fills the air. Right at the entrance, two gigantic lion sculptures crafted entirely from flowers stand tall and majestic, symbolizing pride and strength. Nearby, lotus-shaped fountains shimmer like jewels, welcoming us into this magical floral world. The exhibition is open daily from 9 am to 10 pm, with ticket prices of Rs 80 on weekdays and Rs 100 on weekends. To enjoy a truly peaceful and crowd-free experience, we visited during the VIP slot, which allows early entry from 8 to 9 am and late access from 10 to 11 pm, priced at Rs 500. Perfect for relaxed exploration and stunning visuals. This year's exhibition is curated around a powerful theme, Bharat Ek Gatha, a floral narration of India's timeless journey. The exhibition is divided into 5 immersive zones, each unfolding a unique chapter of India's story. Let's begin our journey. We begin with a burst of colors and celebration. This zone beautifully captures the essence of India's festivals. The warm glow of Diwali diyas, the vibrant splashes of Holi, the harvest happiness of Onam, and the energetic rhythm of Bihu. Every display reflects India's unity in diversity, where traditions come alive through flowers. As we move beyond these joyful celebrations, we now step into a zone rooted in spirituality and ancient wisdom. Welcome to Eternal India, where mythology and faith bloom together. Here, we witness grand floral depictions of Samudra Manthan, Bhagavad Gita, Govardhan Leela, Ram Setu, and the sacred descent of river Ganga. The highlight is the magnificent 60 feet long Samudra Manthan sculpture, glowing in deep purple hues, making us feel immersed in a divine and timeless world. From spirituality, we now move towards rhythm, movement, and artistic expression. This zone is full of life and emotion. India's classical and folk dance forms are showcased with stunning floral artistry. Kuchipudi flows with grace, frozen mid-movement. Kathakali stands bold and dramatic with powerful expressions and elaborate costumes. Garba radiates joy with circular motion, celebrating Gujarat's vibrant culture. And Bhangra bursts with high energy and powerful poses, capturing pure celebration. At the center stands a majestic floral Nataraja, symbolizing cosmic rhythm and creativity. Every corner of this zone feels alive and is perfect for photos and videos. From art and expression, we now move towards a celebration of progress and innovation. This zone highlights modern India's journey of excellence. From high-speed trains and renewable energy to space missions, sports, and education. Each floral installation narrates a story of growth and ambition. It's inspiring to see how flowers beautifully represent India's achievements. And now we reach the grand finale, a zone created for global recognition. This is where Ahmedabad takes center stage globally. Witness a breathtaking 30-meter floral mandala and the world's largest floral portrait of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This zone is a powerful symbol of creativity, scale, and vision, leaving every visitor truly amazed. Every step through this exhibition feels like walking through a living story, a journey of color, fragrance, culture, faith, art, and achievement. So tell us in the comments, which zone would you explore first? Festivals, mythology, dance and art, achievements, or world records? If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay connected with us for more such experiences. Thank you for walking with us through this bloom-filled journey, and remember, every flower tells a story, and every step brings Bharat Ek Gatha to life. See you at the exhibition.